Mysticeti, also known as Beileen whales, are a suborder of the order Cetacea, which includes all the whales, dolphins, and porpoises. They are characterized by a unique filtering system, made up of baleen plates hanging from their upper jaw. These baleen plates are used to sieve planktonic creatures from the water. Baleen whales are one of two major groups of whales, the other being the Odonticeti, or toothed whales. Unlike toothed whales, baleen whales seek out concentrations of small planktonic animals, open their mouth, and take in enormous quantities of water. The baleen plates allow these whales to filter out their food from the water while filtering out seawater. There are currently 86 recognized species of whales, dolphins, and porpoises, of which 14 are mysticids or baleen whales. One blue whale, Balaenoptera musculus. The blue whale Balaenoptera musculus is a marine mammal and a baleen whale. It's the largest animal known ever to have existed. Here are some key facts about the blue whale. Size: blue whales can reach a maximum confirmed length of 29.9 meters, 98 feet, and can weigh up to 199 tons, 196 long tons, 219 short tons. The largest accurately measured blue whale was a 29.5-meter female that weighed 180 metric tons, nearly 200 short tons. Color: blue whales are blue-gray in color, with lighter gray mottling in the form of large spots. Diet: blue whales are filter feeders. Their diet consists almost exclusively of krill. Lifespan: in the wild, they can live for 80 to 90 years. Subspecies: 4 subspecies are recognized: B. M. musculus in the North Atlantic and North Pacific, B. M. intermedia in the Southern Ocean, B. M. bravicauda, the pygmy blue whale in the Indian Ocean and South Pacific Ocean, and B. M. indica in the Northern Indian Ocean. Conservation status: the International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed blue whales as endangered as of 20,181. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are generally solitary or gather in small groups. They have no well-defined social structure other than mother-calf bonds. Orcas are their only natural predators. 2. Fin whale Balaenoptera physalis. The fin whale Balaenoptera physalis, also known as the finback whale or common rorqual, is a species of baleen whale and is the second longest cetacean after the blue whale. Here are some key facts about the fin whale. Size: the biggest individual reportedly measured 26.85 feet in length, with a maximum recorded weight of 7,700,081,000 k 170 billion, 179,000 ub. Collar: fin whales have more pointed heads and are more streamlined than their giant cousins, the blue whales. They have various patterns of lighter shadings on their backs. Diet: fin whales are filter feeders. Their diet mainly consists of smaller schooling fish, small squid, or crustaceans. Lifespan: the lifespan of fin whales is not well documented, but they are known to live for several decades. Subspecies: at least 2 recognized subspecies exist, one in the North Atlantic and one across the Southern Hemisphere. Conservation status: the International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed fin whales as vulnerable as of 20,181. Fin whales are often observed in pods of 610 animals, with whom they communicate utilizing frequency-modulated sounds, ranging from 16 to 40 Hz. Like all other large whales, the fin whale was heavily persecuted during the golden age of whaling, from the early 19th century through the late 20th century. 3. Sei whale Balaenoptera borealis. The sei whale Balaenoptera borealis is a baleen whale and is one of 10 rorqual species. It's the third largest member after the blue and fin whales. Here are some key facts about the sei whale. Size: sei whales can grow up to 19.5 and 64 feet in length and weigh as much as 28 long tons, 31 short tons. Color: the sei whale's body is long, slender and brownish-gray in color, with a paler underside. Diet: sei whales are filter feeders. Their diet consists primarily of copepods, krill, and other zooplankton. Lifespan: the lifespan of sei whales is not well documented, but they are known to live for several decades. Subspecies: 2 subspecies are recognized: B. borealis and B. scilagillae. Conservation status: the International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed sea whales as endangered as of 20,181. Sea whales are often observed in pods of 610 animals, with whom they communicate utilizing frequency modulated sounds ranging from 16 to 40 Hz. Like all other large whales, the sea whale was heavily persecuted during the golden age of whaling, from the early 19th century through the late 20th century. 4. Bridis whale Balaenoptera edini. The Bridis whale Balaenoptera edini is a species of baleen whale. Here are some key facts about the Bridis whale. Size: Bridis whales can grow from 12.5 m 41 to 14 m 46 long and a weight of 18.5 tons, with the female larger than the male. Color: Bridis whales are generally dark gray above. The throat and chin have some white. Some individuals have regions of light gray on each side, forward from the dorsal fin. Diet: like other baleen whales, Bridis whales are filter feeders. Their diet consists primarily of small fish and plankton. Lifespan: the lifespan of Bridis whales is not well documented, but they are known to live for several decades. Subspecies: currently, there are 2 subspecies of Bridis whales. Eden's whale Balaenoptera edini is a smaller form, found in the Indian and Western Pacific Oceans, primarily in coastal waters. The Bridis whale Balaenoptera edini bridi is a larger form, found primarily in pelagic waters. Conservation status: the International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed Bridis whales as least concern as of 20,181. Bridis whales are named for Johan Bride, a Norwegian who built the first whaling stations in South Africa in the early 20th century. They are found in warm, temperate oceans including the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific. Some populations of Bridis whales make short migratory movements with the seasons, while others do not migrate, making them unique among other migrating baleen whales. 5. Amura's whale Balaenoptera amurae. The Amura's whale Balaenoptera amurae is a species of baleen whale. Here are some key facts about the Amura's whale. Size: Amura's whales are relatively small and super streamlined. They can grow up to 11.5 m 38 in length. Color: they have striking and unique asymmetrical black and white markings on the head and jaw. The lower jaw is white on the right side and black on the left. Diet: like other baleen whales, Amura's whales are filter feeders. Their diet consists primarily of small fish and plankton. Lifespan: the lifespan of Amura's whales is not well documented, but they are known to live for several decades. Conservation status: the International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed Amura's whales as data deficient as of 20,181. Amura's whale is the most recently identified whale species. They were first recognized from dead specimens in 2003 and first recognized alive in the wild in 20,152. They had previously been mistaken for Bridis whales as both species look similar, are small, and live in tropical seas. We now know that Amura's whale is not related to the Bridis whale at all.